set up and use it remotely. Because the biggest question is people buy these cameras, they get them home, they set it up, and then they have local access, and that's it. They can only see the camera video feed within their own network. So with the cloud camera, what you do is you actually put the CD-ROM in, you'll load it up, they'll go through a wizard, and what it does is it sets up your remote connection, and instead of having an IP address, so usually that's the hardest part about the security cameras is forwarding and porting your router, setting the IP address for the camera, and then setting up your dynamic DNS, and all kinds of other steps here. And so what we do here is because your residential internet connection has ever-changing IP address. So it can change weekly, monthly, daily, hourly, it doesn't matter. It's your ISP's decision. So with this IP address changing, it's like what she says, it's like your house address. So if your house address changes, it'd be hard to deliver a package to you. Same idea. If you don't know the home address or your home IP address, it's going to be hard to find the camera behind your home IP address. And so what we do is we use a cloud service, and what we do is we host this URL. So the camera actually comes with a URL on the sticker and also in the booklet. Set up your account. Once you set up your account, you would connect your camera to the router. Let me fast forward a little bit here. Talking about the IP address thing. So this is the most difficult part for people because when you sign up for dynamic DNS, it's not as easy as it sounds. You got to sign up for it. You either got to download a utility that updates that IP address to a static web address. So like bobscameras.com. So instead of putting that number in every time, instead you put bobscameras.com in every day, and it's never going to change because the dynamic DNS service would update your ever-changing IP address to bobscameras.com. So we're taking that same idea and we're hosting our own kind of dynamic DNS service. And that's what we call our TRENDnet Cloud. The way it works is each camera is going to have a unique identifier, and you use that. It's going to be pasted on it's going to be posted on the back of the camera as well as in the user guide, the installation guide. And so this way you can sign up for an account, and connect to the camera over the web, and then you can get a QR code where you scan it, and it actually will download our cloud app. And so that way you're already viewing the camera on your on your phone. And we have Android apps as well as iPhone apps. And we're coming out with 4 cloud cameras. This is going to be the first one, our 751 WIC. And then we're going to come out with a pan and tilt version as well.